In this video, we're going to show you how to make the hexagonal piece for the spinning game. So you go into onshape, create, document, hex, spinning game, and hit create. So we're going to sketch, and then we're going to draw this actually on the top plane. And over here, you'll find inscribed polygon. Now, if we look at the shape, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So that makes it a hexagon. So if we go here, we draw this out. You can see the 6 sides is there. Now 4, 5, 6. Here we go. You can see if you scroll along, you'll get 3, 4, and if you scroll out, you get any number of polygon of shapes. The one we want is 6. So next, we want to do smart dimensions. If you hit D in your keyboard, you come up, and this is 30. So we type in 30. And because it's a regular hexagon, they're all going to become the same size. The next part we have to do is draw the circle in the middle. It's 9.5. So hit circle, go into the center, dim that again, D, and make that 9.5. Finally, we're going to extrude boss base. The thickness of the piece is 5 mil. So we're going to make this here 5. Green type dash. And there is our hexagonal piece made.